Alright, I just want to do a couple of back testing because I feel like so, but I didn't want to do it without putting it out there so you guys will see. So it's not, whatever. Um, we're gonna try and take a couple of trades. Try taking a couple of trades. Alright, let's get it. Let's get right to it. Alright, so we have 3 a.m. here, 6 a.m. Alright, so anyhow, so I wonder how many that is actually. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we just need 4 4-hour candles, eh? Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Alright, so what are the lines we got here? Let's remove this black line from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. We have this zone here. We have this zone here. Could reduce it a little bit. I mean, it's fine here. Definitely can bring it down a little bit. I want to capture this. That's the base that needs to be captured. And from the prior day, we still have this zone here. So that's what caused this. But now this became a high. What else do we have from the prior day? We still have this zone here. We have this red line. This kind of became a line. I'll just put a line here. Honestly, maybe here. Nah, I'll put a zone here. Put a zone right here. Just like this. This is the zone we have. Alright, so that's what's happening. 7:30. Big rejection of the zone. It's not a bearish rejection yet, but it's pretty bearish. Okay, if we come to this zone, obviously we'll see if we take a trade. That's about all the only places we have. Nice rejection. There's still this low here. There's no place to take a trade right now. Just big rejection of this zone. Okay, now I'm kind of interested. Risk will be up here. Okay, I think I'll take this trade. Take this trade in here. Risk is just above this. Damn, we got destroyed. Okay, OG. Okay, I guess that wasn't too good a trade because I was thinking about the prior candle wasn't, OG, no stress. That was a loss there. That's not a good trade. Let's remove that. Let's be careful now. Don't stress it. So we still have this zone here, right? Still have this zone here. Rejection. We're still gonna risk up there. It's not going into the zone here yet, but I think we should wait. Okay, with that now, that's a massive rejection, but that's a really good rejection. I think I'm just gonna take that one. Question is, should I have taken it? Shit. Should I have taken it on this candle? Okay, I'll put an order to get filled on that handle. Okay, I'm in there, risking literally just the high. Pulled back to this base here, showing rejection, which is pretty good. And this will be the low you'd be risking. And I'll just hold my short. This one was pretty trash, eh? This particular base was pretty trash. It's being run through. It's being run through. I mean, to be fair, I shouldn't have taken this trade here because there was no. It needs to build up to the short, and it was just the one. So that's a bad trade per se. This was a good trade because the first kind was pretty nasty rejection. Next kind of rejection, and then this kind of happened. So if any worst comes to worst, the trade would have been something like this, risking 200 pips, looking for 400, right? Good rejection of this kind of this base here, but that candle is too bearish. You could even take a short, risking up here right now. Now this candle looks good actually. So would it push back up? Would it bounce back up from here? I wonder. This I wonder. Nice. So yeah, if anything worst comes to worst, we just take that trade. Risk is up there, 200 pips. We get our 400 pips. Now we're out of that trade. Next trade is going to be wait. So this is a good rejection. Good rejection. Good rejection. We could risk the bottom. You can take it long here. Taking it long here, risking just the base right there. Where did this come from? Okay, risking the low of that candle. Risking the low of this place here. That's a little too far, honestly. I'm not gonna take this trade because if I'm gonna take this trade, I'm supposed to be risking just here. If I'm gonna wait for this, is a different thing. So I'm gonna wait. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna take this trade here. I'm only gonna raise the low of this one here. Just 180. Just risking 180 there. Big rejection of that zone. Oh, nice. That zone is trying to hold up, but it's not. It's still bullish. Still bullish. At least to me for now, at least. Okay. So this is good. It's good. And this was so I just waited for I didn't know where the low was, so I just waited for confirmation, and then I took this trade here because this was a good rejection. I could have taken this, risking all the way down there, but you could have because this is falling. It's falling, right? It's falling pretty hard. I mean, not too hard because this was it slowed down really much here, but and we have this base here. We have this base here. If we're gonna take a trade from this base, the risk is only here. And if we're going to take a trade from this base, then or from lower than here, then the risk is all the way down here. So we didn't get lower than this point, right? So that's why, because we got to this point, that's why we're just going to risk down here. So we're risking 180 points, looking for 360, right? I don't know if it will reach there. Big rejection of this. This is a short. You can definitely. Oh, is that stupid zone? We'll see what happens. But is that stupid zone though? Okay, it's actually holding now. So in this case here, should we, since it didn't break this, we have taken, since we waited for confirmation, just taking it right there, 100 points, looking for 200, which we would have gotten. And if we had gotten 200 now, we'll be taking it, oh, we can't take a shot right here. This is it's pretty solid still. Hold, hold. Okay, now that's good. We'll take a shot there. Just risking above this base. But damn, that's not the risk. The risk supposed to be up here, 170 points. I don't like that risk. I don't like that risk, but I think it's better to risk right above the base. That's what I'm gonna do. Just risk right above the base. Maybe just here 120 pips. Looking for 240. Right. This is a good base here. This one's holding pretty nicely. So if it comes back up and shows momentum, we'll get out on a what's it called, pullback of that momentum. That's good. That's good. We're gonna get out now. Yeah, I guess I might as well just get out. That's pretty good momentum there. Okay, so let me see what's happening here. If we're taking a trade here, so we got in here, we should just reach just the low here. That's 100 points, looking for 200. We got out there. Then now, if we're taking this trade here, risking just above the zone, so about 90, looking for 180. Yeah, we won the trade. What are you talking about? So that should have been the trade. So it's this risking this low here, right? Just risking the prior low. And then because we didn't take it on this. If we're taking it on this candle, then we'll risk all the way down here. Matter of fact, we could have even taken on this candle and risk all the way down here, which is 160 point, looking for 320, right? Looking for 320, which would have worked, but we didn't take it on this candle. We waited for more confirmation. Upon more confirmation, we took it, just risking the low of this candle here. 100 points, just a little bit lower, 100 points, and so we got our 200. So you could have either taken it here, risking the low all the way down there, because well, sometimes you won't even get this kind of opportunities too. Just trying to see some here. We're taking this from this bottom here, just taking this low, risking all the way bottom low 160. This would have been a very safe, convenient trade, to be honest. 160 point, leave a 320, which would have gotten. Very convenient trade, taking it from right here, to be honest. It's a little bit under the zone, but still rejection was good enough, plus the rejection is right at the low. So it was pretty good. But sometimes, even if we lose this kind of trade, just like today even, then we'll just take a closer low. So like today. So if we're taking a trade from here, we'd have had to risk all the way down here, right? All the way down here at 80. Maybe even risk lower, maybe 110, or even risk all the way down there, but probably just here, maybe 90, looking for 180, right? But if we're taking it here, we'll only be risking just down here, 70, looking for 140. That's the only difference. I gotta keep that in mind. If we wait for an extra confirmation, then we'll take it. But this one was not. Well, it was okay. So that was extra confirmation, and then we took it, just risking the low there. So this low was the important low right here. Seeing how price behaved there, rejected pretty nicely. So that's what gave us the confirmation. Take this trade here, and what's it called? Risk all the way down here. See how it behaved. Even if we didn't take profit up there, we would have at least got in this bounce and taking profit on the next move. So now we've gotten this trade here, we've gotten this trade here, we've gotten this trade here. Now we're asking, we got this trade here, and then this happens again with nice wicks, rejection on this one here. You can easily take this trade right here, going long, but this time around you'll be risking the low 150 points, about 150 points, looking for 300, which is all the way up there. So which means you'll be holding this. This is breakable now, but I think this is gonna come back down because of this. I mean, it's still okay, so we still wait. 300 points. So that's an okay rejection, not too bad. We still hold. Still hold. Perfect. This would have been the next trade right there. So 300 points. So you're looking for about 320, whatever. 320 points. So just right there. Can we get? I mean, we already broke through that zone, so we're kind of fine. But we didn't completely break through the zone. It's just the whole zone there. It's holding nicely. Perfect. Done. This is what I want to see every day, man. This is what I want to see every day. It's exactly how I want to trade every day. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I want to trade like this with more confidence and stuff. This is why I do this. This is why I'm doing this. Brought our zones from the day. Got our zone from here. Brought our zone from here. Got our line from here. Got our zone here. Got our zone here. Could have even put a line here if we wanted. Rejection. Could have even got in on this rejection, risking that high, honestly. Like this could have been a line right here. Put a line right there. Beautiful rejection of the line. We could have got it in on this high here. And risk all the way up there. And then we'd have gotten our move first. And then we know that this zone is good, but this drop, this type of drop, it had rejection, right? This rejection was okay. It wasn't, the best. It wasn't like this one. This one, doji and then broke and rejected. This one was just inside rejection. So plus this candle was pretty heavy, momentum downwards. So and then whether it continued. So we're like, okay, let's see if it gets to this line or if so it rejected here, right? It rejected there, rejected on the next candle, and then waited for confirmation. To be honest, it could have easily gone from this candle, pulled back, and then closed green. In that case, then we would have just taken it, risking down here. So no need to stress. No need to stress, Michael. If you had gone up, maybe even closed up here. Perfect. The higher it closes, it's fine. We just risk down here. So that means it's a lot of momentum. That's all it is. But it closed down and but it still had rejection. Then we took it and risked all the way down here. Having a plan. Okay. Next. 12:15 already. See 12:20, 12:25, 12:30. Done. We're done trading for the day basically. Still have this. Big rejection off of that zone. Massive rejection again off of that zone. We'll take a short right there. Take a shot right there, risking all the way, probably like 2 points above the green. Hmm. Doesn't stop that. Stupid. Why you take a shot? Yeah, good thing we're done trading, first of all. One. Secondly, it was actually a bad shot because with big momentum came big rejection. Big momentum came big rejection. I saw it. That's why I hesitated for a second. I don't know if you heard it on my voice, but I hesitated for a second, thinking like, I know I said take a shot, but actually it's big. That's some solid momentum right there. All right, let's go to four and get us out. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, something. Yeah. One, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now, what the hell is this? 4 hours. Oh shit. So 1 hour, I guess. 4, 5, 6. All right, so what's happening today? Got a big drop. 4th of July. That's a holiday, right? Or is it 5th of July? I think it's 4th, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's no volume. It's 4th of July. Yep. All right. So 4, 5, 6, 5 minutes. Now let's see what's popping. So this day is a little far now, so we'll just use only this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't really have any data. Oh, so we don't have anything, but what we know is continuation of a downtrend right now. So we'll take a short right as market opens as it breaks this. Our risk just above this, or we can just risk all the way above here. It's fine. Let's remove these black lines. So we're risking all the way above here, right? 160, looking for 320. Okay, it was pretty clean downtrend, and we don't have any prior day information, so we're using today's information, and like this base formed, beautiful break of the base with full no barely any rejection, and then we could have risk up there, but we're gonna risk up there instead just to be safe. Nice rejection here. Now we have a base that we can draw here, right? There's a base right here. Are we in profit already? 320. 320 is all the way down here. Oof. I mean, we're break even, but she. Oh. I mean, okay, we're still gonna be bullish after this kind of, but it's still bullish kind of. It's kind of weird. It's consolidating weirdly. There you go. We're break even on that trade. Shit. Was that risk too much? Normally, I actually just risk above this zone here, but this time around, I said let me risk up there, and in that case, I should have risked up there, right? Stupid. I guess this would have been the best risk right here. Just risk 90 points, or maybe just take this trade, and because it's the fresh trade, risk 4 above, so 120, looking for 240, right? And done. Actually, that'll be the best thing. Take a risk 4 above 120, looking for 240, and that's it. And now its price has come here. Good bullish momentum, not much rejection, so we won't take a short. What a beautiful rejection right there. Now that's momentous rejection. Holy. We have a base here now. Base here, but obviously we're not going to take this trade here. Nope, no trade yet. No trade yet. Okay, that's not bad to take a trade actually. Right there. Risking 4 below, but that momentum though, I don't trust it to be honest. Because we're in this zone, so risk 4 below. I'm afraid, I'm not gonna lie. It's not going up as I want. It's rejecting hard every time it goes up. There's a lot of rejection here. There you go. There you go. There you go. What's our risk here? What's our risk? Shit, my eyes are turning. 75 risking, so 115, right? 75 plus 4 plus 40 is 115, right? I think I'm correct on that. Plus 30 is 105, plus 10 is 115. So 115 looking for 230. 230. I think it's gonna hit because this is of this candle right here. I think we're still kind of fine. Give me that. That's not good. And this, that's not good. That's I mean, what? Okay, we have this candle still. Oh, give me that. Give me, oh, freaking hell. Give me, bro. Give me, give me. Shit. Nah, bro. Nah, we're gonna get this. 400 to $1 million. We're getting this. Easy. 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 This is the same thing I do on the same like today. I did it today. I didn't I just I'm not taking the trades. I'm so focused on trying to get in on the best entry, quote unquote, or like the best feel, or just let's say I see that, oh, I'm gonna risk 150 points. I'm so focused on trying to get it, so let me risk only 100 points. Like, why? Just get in. Today I should have just gotten in. Today right here, I didn't get in here. I didn't fully understand the trade, but this should have been a trade. This right here should have been a trade because we had this low. We had this base that formed yesterday, and then obviously base formed, and then the low, this line here rejected. This should have been one trade, 70 points. We could even risk two under 80 points looking for. No, forget it. We're gonna risk 70 points, just a little bit under, just 70 points looking for 140. We got our 140. It broke through. The next trade was going to be this one, risking down here 80 points, or sorry, about 100 points, looking for 200. We got our 200 right there. Was it not? Was this right? Was this? I mean, I guess. Yeah, so basically here, if we reach down here, if we didn't reach down here, but if we reach down just a little bit under, we don't even need to get just a little bit under, maybe 90, looking for 180, we got our 180 done. And then this last trade, the very last trade would have been this one right here. Taking this after rejected, and the low we're risking is literally just this low. We can either risk this low or that low. I would have probably preferred to risk this low, just because this low was a little too close. But who cares? Even if you reach this low, you get 250 done. You know, if you reach the other low, you get whatever done. Okay, let's go back to so about this 10 o'clock. Obviously, there's a base forming here. Actually, I see this right now. There's a base forming here. Not much rejection so far. Okay, that's pretty clean. Not much rejection. Actually, that's so clean. I want to take a continuation trade right there. Take a risk just down here. It's too clean. When it's clean like that, you just gotta take something. 100 points risking looking for 200 points. That's the same kind of trade that was here that I was thinking about, right? Take a trade here, risking just above. This type of base, this is the same thing right there. And so when this candle showed the base, I could have taken on this candle, but I was still okay. Let's see if there'll be rejection up here. And I'm not really, and I was actually in a trade. So after this candle got me out of a trade, pushed back down, and then this candle, I thought they would follow through, but no. This looking for 200 points, baby. Broke high of day, holding. That's a 1-2 risk to low right there. A lot of people take that trade. Nobody cares. This is getting harder for me to breathe. Oh shit, I'm about to lose this trade. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. We are good. A lot of people would have taken this trade, risking down here. Ah, 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 I feel. We're holding this trade to the end of the day, I guess. Nicely done. 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 So a lot of people would have taken this trade risking down here. A lot of people would have taken this trade risking down here. So you see, there's so many opportunities. You have to be in one. What the hell are you doing not being in one opportunity? Just take the damn trade, man. Take the damn trade, Michael. Fuck. I'm done. 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 I'm done not taking trades. I'm done not taking trades. Gotta take these trades, man. I see it all now. I see it. I see it. I gotta execute. I have to take these trades. I have to take these trades. I have to take these trades. I can't not take these trades. I have to take these trades. Come on. Come on. Come on, Michael. Come on. Gotta do this, man. You have to do this, man. So it's 11:40. We just closed this trade. It's 11:45. We can still trade. Let's see. This is a nice rejection. Mm, kind of wanting to come. See what I was saying? Why did I not get in this trade? Because I kind of wanted to come down a little bit more. You guys heard me say that, right? It's a habit I need to break, man. It's a habit I need to break. It's a habit I need to break. This is the trade. 212. Nobody cares how big the risk is. Taking the trade. That is the trade right there. Take it. Take it, Michael. Take the damn trade, bro. Take it. Just take it. Just take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it, Michael. You don't know what's gonna happen. Just take the damn trade, bro. 400 points, what you needed, you got your 400 points. Did you know that was gonna happen? No. Just take the fucking trade as long as it's under 1230. Take the trade, man. It's obvious. You take it. Simple. Sim fucking pull. Don't need these lines anymore. Beautiful trades today. Beautiful trades. One here, risk, done. One here, risk, done. One here, risk, done. 3 trades. You need 19 trades, one in a row to make your money. Come on, man. You can get 3 trades in a row in a day. Come on. By the time you're done this third trade, you would have literally been at like 4 grand almost. Right? Was that correct? Let me check that. 800 times 1.5 times 1.5 times 1.5. You'd have been at, Michael, 4 grand. 2700. You'd have been at 2700 today. From 800 2700. This week you had so many trades, man. So many trades. Come on, Michael. Come on. Come on. Come on, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? Take the trades. Take the trades, Michael. Take the trades. Take the trades. Stop worrying about freaking if you have the best entry. Just take the damn trades, bro. Sheesh. Like something like this is different. You wanted it to, it went up. It wasn't a good rejection, right? Like because the base on this one as at that day that we're trading this was something like this, right? It was this. So this happened. Good momentum. Okay. If we're gonna take it from here, we'd have to risk only up here, right? That makes sense. 110, looking for 220, whatever. We didn't even get that. But the idea was we're waiting for it to get closer to the zone. It rejected, but it didn't even reject anywhere near close to the zone. So this makes sense. Risking 90, looking for 180. Done. This trade did not really make sense because it broke this low. So when it popped up, take this, risking there. Risking there, 65, looking for 130. Done. Come on, Michael. This was 1, 2, and then obviously there was no trade here because there was no confirmation. But then this popped up again, rejected again. But on this rejection, there was more momentum. So we're like, okay. So now we know that. Oh, and there was this zone on this day. There was this zone here prior. There was this zone here prior that we're still using. Right? There was this zone here. And so now we're waiting. And this happened. Oh my god, Michael. Oh my god. You take this, you risk this. 110, 220 is what you're looking for. Done. That's 1, 2, 3 trades. 3 trades, man. Come on. Tears. Who's crying? Who's crying? Come on. Who's crying? And then the other zone we had was, which other zone did we have? Oh, by this time Michael was done. Oh, 12:30 had already passed. So on this at this point. But when he pulled after he pulled back here, so we took this trade, we didn't we went up, pulled back, went up, pulled. You could have even taken this one, but this would have been one hour trade to close. This closed and then pulled back here. You could have taken this, risking even down here, man. 75. Because that's a clear low. 75, looking for 150. Come on. Come on. Well, this was a more risky trade to be fair, so I may not have taken this trade because the zone will be like this and it rejected, and this was if I was going to take a trade, I've been at 100 and then this would have gone up to 150, which was about 1.5 times. So about it's over 50%, about 75% off my. So then I'd have been break even on this trade. But still, you break even, man. You freaking break even. Come on, Michael. Come on. Take the trades, bro. You make 3 straight profit. You break even on one. You know? Come on, Mike. Come on. Come on. Come on. That was yesterday. 3 trades yesterday, 3 trades today. What's that? 6 freaking trades, bro. 6 trades. You would have been from if you started from 400, you'd have been at 4 grand. From yesterday to today. Just 2 days. Come on. Come on. You got this, man. It's easy. Look at this day. Look at this day. You came in, you traded this day. You had your one trade, beautiful. There was you went to sleep early, but that was stupid because now actually you left when this happened. So but you should have taken this trade, risking just the base. Done. Done, Michael. Done. Done. It's too easy, man. Too easy. Come on. Come on. Take this trade, risking up here, you get your profit down there. This happened, rejected. I mean this base was not much really. But by the time this happened, you're done trading, man. Holy Michael, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. One done, two done. There were 2 trades on. We took this one long, but we noticed that okay, something's fishy on this zone, and plus this zone was pretty close. Makes sense. Our zone was down here. Our zone was down, basically down here. Yeah, just this. So about this. This should have been the zone right there. Yeah, just this. And then that happened, right? I don't know why I had this as a zone. Or was it the current day zone? I guess it was current day zone. But yeah, this would have been zone. And then you take this trade long, risking here, and watch how it behaves there. So this was a good candle, rejection. That's fine. Rejection here. We closed our long, went in short. That's what happened yesterday, innit? Went in short, risking just above there. We got our profit. Simple trading, man. Simple trading. 70, 140, done. And then this happened, and then after we saw how much it fell, we're like, holy shit, we should have freaking. There was no other thing. But look at that. You okay? Let's say you only had 1 trade on this day, but the next day, 3 trades, man, 3 trades. Patience, bruv. The day prior, come on. So the day prior, what was our zones like? The day prior, we had this zone, we had this zone from. Oh, we didn't even need to use this zone. We didn't even need to use this zone because so Monday, Tuesday. So we had this zone here. Forget about the day we traded here. We had this line basically. Price was here by the time market was open. Price was already up here. So we didn't even need these zones anymore. We had this zone from down here. Take this zone like this. Right, that would have been the zone there. I mean, for this day, it should have just been drawn like that, right? And that would have been the zone there, and it aligned perfectly. came down. We take this trade. Simply take this trade. Just be simple about it, man. Don't stress. Take the trade and freaking risk down there. Done. 80. Looking for 160. Done. 160. There was no prior thing to use as a base, so it's fine. Big rejection, we saw it, it's all good, doesn't matter. And then this happens. We don't take this trade. We do not what? We do not take this trade. Just like literally what happened on we wait because of how much is falling, we just wait. And so next place to take a trade would be down here, which happened. So it came, it came, and it rejected on this low here. And so because our base is just here, this kind of make bunch of rejections kind of makes sense. Easy. Just take a trade down here, risking just below our low, 60 points, looking for 120 points. 120 done. This kind of got it for us. Now we're looking for this base to show rejection, but this one was heavy. We're like, okay, no, that's not what we're looking for. And then rejection, we're like, oh, rejection. Okay, so you just you can even take a trade here if you want. Right there, risking whatever, looking for probably got your profit there, or you got break even. It's simple. Shit. So we got one trade here, we got one trade here, we got one likely trade here. Because of all these rejections why we took this trade, right? We got there's no trade here, so probably if it was not brief, if we took a profit here, we'd just be watching. I would need to see a pullback. So at this point, there was no really, it's not really broken any highs. It made this base, so there's not really a place to risk per se because it didn't really go up much higher above this. There was this consolidation. This is not clean. I'm looking for where to take a trade after here, but it's not clean. At this point, it was still okay. This really confused me here to what's it called, whether I want to take a trade long, and then it was kept on rejecting, and so that's why we finally took a trade here. Right, you take a trade here and you risk down there, just the low of current day, right? Actually, this is not too clean either. We definitely have this trade long. This was clean. We have this one is not. We didn't take this trade. This one was clean. We had this trade long. This one was clean. But this one is not too clean. It was because of this stupid ass candle. It was not clean anymore. And then this happens, and so we're watching this momentum here. Okay, there was no rejection on it, and then this happens. This was nasty, right? So, and by the time there was a chance to go short, we're done the day. It wasn't clean. Clean needs beautiful highs and lows to have formed, or like this would have been clean, you know. If you're taking a trade here, if it broke up and then it pulled back, I mean there's no volume on this, but if it broke up, right, it broke up. I don't know how to explain. So let's see. Let me see some of that already. So right here, this is clean. Even though the base is here, the base was here at that point, right? And then you can see high formed, breaks the high here, and you can see these candles beautifully, beautiful candles right here. And then at this point, mind you, we were already in a trade right here, so we're not going to take a trade here. But if we didn't take a trade here, you could have easily, when this form, because of how clean this is, you can take this trade and risk down here. So this will be right there, taking a trade right there, risking down there, 115, looking for 230 or something like that. So you're in break even on that trade. but this was the trade because of the base we had here. For the base we had here, the trade was already down here, so we're fine. We're fine taking this trade and risking it low, looking for that continuation. Take your clean trades, man. If it's clean, take it. Just take it, man. Don't hesitate. Okay, I'm just in my head right now. I'm that's about it for the back testing. I'm done for today. It's already 11 p.m. Let me go read some stuff and read some comic and then shut my eyes.